Didi Chuxing Technology Co, formerly named Didi Dache and Didi Kuaidi, is a Chinese vehicle-for-hire company headquartered in Beijing with over 550 million users and tens of millions of drivers. The company provides app-based transportation services, including taxi hailing, private car hailing, social ride-sharing, and bike sharing, on-demand delivery services, and automobile services, including sales, leasing, financing, maintenance, fleet operation, electric vehicle charging, and co-development of vehicles with automakers. In June 2012, following 8 years working in Alibaba's sales and Alipay divisions, Cheng Wei founded Didi Dache, a taxi-hailing app. OSF then changed to USF. U means beep beep in Mandarin. So USF literally means beep beep. Mobility. The application was the initial incarnation of Didi Chuxing's ride-hailing service and consisted of an app for consumers to request taxis and other rideshare services for immediate pickup. Beijing Xiaoju Kiji Company developed the app. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.